What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, we have been stuck in a little bit of a downtrend over the past few weeks. You can see here, we've actually outlined the little downtrend we were talking about, where basically we have had a bit of a rollover, haven't we, where we said in our previous video that we probably would be looking at Verasity potentially rolling back over to retest some of these lows here at potentially at that previous all-time high at 5.5 cents, which we have done, and we've fully retested that area now. Also nice to see Verasity coming back into fair value here after having some bearish divergences, which we did lead us to suggest that we may see a little bit of a rollover for Verasity before that next pump up to the upside. But overall, you know, nothing to be concerned about, we don't think, for Verasity whatsoever. Obviously, it's been on an absolute tear recently. You can see here, massive run up, huge correction, another run up to the upside, you know, another descending wedge here. Then we run up to a new all-time high. And since then, we have been taking the stairs to the upside towards that 10-cent level. As you can see, stepping up here. We've had a bit of a deeper correction. Just have a bit of a cooling off phase in our opinion before that next leg up, but we'd say Verasity, really top quality project. Obviously, if we get any of those crazy fundamental news that a lot of people have been looking for, a potential Binance listing, which would be absolutely insane for the project, obviously, and just the sheer amount of adoption that, you know, Verasity is actually getting. There's a lot of esports integration coming, millions of users watching via Verasity every single day. So, you know, these kinds of adoption curves do lead to a pretty amazing price increase. Generally speaking, based on fundamentals, and you know, this chart is trading really technically well, and in combination with those kinds of fundamentals, we do think things are going to be looking really good. So you can see overall this cup and handle that we've had the breakout, and now we're getting the back test of that handle there, cup and handle formation there. And obviously, if we do get that continuation, as we said, things are going to be looking super bullish. So overall, Verasity, obviously over the past few weeks, been looking quite bearish, just having a bit of a rollover here, coming back down to retest price support after ranging in that area that we were talking about for a while. If we look at the hourly time frame, you can see here that we did have a nice range looking something like this, that we were ranging inside of for a good while. High, low, high, low, high, come back down to the low. We make a smaller range looking something like this inside of this range, where we're ranging, and then obviously when you lose the bottom, you back test it, you do start to roll over here looking for support, and we have found it in and around that previous all-time high at around 5.7 cents there. Basically on that swing, that previous swing low there, we found support. So obviously we're waiting for that kind of breakout of that descending wedge that we have got here. You could say this is arguably on the hourly time frame here, a little bit of a descending wedge here, and sooner or later we're going to coil into this apex on support and most likely get that pickup, and then we will be looking for some higher targets. So we'd say short-term price predictions then, if we roll over, we'd probably be expecting Verasity have a little bit of a, you know, sweep of those lows again at around 5.7 cents before that pickup. But we do think that pickup is getting increasingly quite likely, and we'd say realistically probably going to be coming up back up towards that 6.7 to 7 cent area pretty soon if we break out of this. And then beyond that, we are looking for that 10-cent level, that 127 extension, which is a big psychological target as well. And as we've always said, 50 cents to $1 for Verasity, we do think very possible, and even likely when it does start to run, because it runs like an absolute beast. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.